Hi Nandy, this is Sherry. Here is my office. And look at here, these are our cup samples. These are cup samples. It's just very small part. As you can see, we have different kinds. Double layer cups, single layer cups, and cup with handles and other products. Double layer cups, we have ripple, hollow, solid paste, embossing, different kinds. Just tell me which kind you want to make. And the single wall cups, as you can see, from very mini cups to Coca-Cola cups, all the kinds, all the size we can make also. And these are cup with handles. We made many samples before, and this one is teacup. You can put the tea inside, then seal it. So when people drinking, they want to touch the tea. Like this. And we also make different kinds of bowls and paper bucket, like squared one and different shapes, size, and also very big size KFC bucket. Now I'm going to show our designer's office.